So here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because in the end, they paid me. So this is $82.41 for the goods, and it's all said and done after coupons and rebates. I had an overage, a moneymaker of $16.67. And yes, that total, of course, includes tax. We got to include our tax to get our accurate money maker there. So here we go. This is for the week of September 30th to October 6th. And I'm going to be trying to do this every week, uploading a video on the first day of the sale. It's Thursday. And so, please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and do these deals before, the items are gone or the coupons expire. So let's get right into it. So let's see what we got. Again, got these last week. This is a good one, and it keeps resetting in aisle. So this is Kitu Super coffee. These are $2.99 each, so you pay $5.98 for both of them. As I said, there's the aisle rebate of $4 off, $2 off of each one, so you get back $4 from aisle. And Ibotta also has $1 back on two, so you're getting $5 back, and you buy them for $5.98. And I cannot believe this happened again, but Publix promise was granted again. So in the cooler, they were $2.49. On the shelf, they were $2.99. I picked them up off the cooler at $2.49, and when they rung up at $2.99, Publix promise is they give you the first item, they refund you, they give you the first item for free, and then they give you the next item at the sale price. So once I got that money back, I had a $2.51 overage. And make sure once you do this, you don't say, hey, Publix promise, you just ring out. And I actually submit my Ibotta rebate, IO rebate, so my receipt's not all written on. And then you go to customer service and say, hey, on the shelf, these are $2.49, register, ring them at $2.99. You go to customer service, they take care of all of it. So once again, those two items, same thing as last week, had a $2.51 moneymaker. Probably won't happen, but check it out. Either way, they're going to be very inexpensive. Next thing, Tena pads. Can't believe these are on sale again this week. And of course, they love putting coupons. And just like I talked about last week, save your receipt from last week because there was no coupons. The coupon came out last Sunday. So you could basically take your receipt and say, hey, I didn't have the receipt on the coupon on me at the time. Here's my receipt. And they'll refund you the coupon. So I got, I think I had 6, so that was $15 back last week when I refunded that. But anyways, this week, so they're on sale from $5.39. They're on sale for $3.39. When you buy 4 of them, it comes to $14.71 with tax. Then there is $2 off from checkout 51. You're allowed to do 3 of them, so I got back $6 there. And as I said, from the smart source of September 26th, you got a $5 off at 2. So use 2 of those. So you pay $14.71 with the 2 coupons, takes $10 off. Checkout 51 takes another $6 off. So you have $1.29 moneymaker on that. I also believe they're on Swag Bucks. I didn't find them on my Swag Bucks, so good luck with that. Maybe you'll do better than me on that. I got this last week as well, Tate's cookies. So last week there was a free Publix digital coupon for it. So I select the Ibotta for Tates, and it takes off $1. So spent $1 for those and took off $1. I got $1 back from Ibotta. Made those free. Mountain Dew Rise, once again, Publix digital coupon, $2.50 they cost with tax, $2.71. You get back $2.50. So it is 21 cents for that. Same thing with the Silk Oat milk. It is $3.99, and Publix digital coupon, you get back $3.99. And of course, I was building up to $50 so I could get the competitor coupon $10 off. So yes, you probably won't have this coupon So you won't have a $16.67 moneymaker, you'll have a $6.67 moneymaker. But hey, you might have the swag bucks on those, so you could probably do better than me, just like I said. Let's keep going. Here we go, Splenda Diabetic Shakes. Now this is a good Publix digital coupon for a free one of those. So they're $9.99, and that really helps you add up to your $50 threshold. There's also a MasterCard, so you can get 505 off of 50. So you'll still do good. Not 10, but you'll get 505 back. So these were Publix digital coupon for free when you buy another Splenda product. So I bought this and this. So this was $9.99. This was $4.19. And this ended up being $9.99 back, completely free for that. This was $4.19, and there's $2 off Ibotta, so $2.19 for both of these. And once again, we got 10 off. So what else we got? Sin of Dust. Wow, these were on sale for the regularly $2.99. They're on sale 2 for $5, $2.50 each. Swag Bucks gives you back $6 when you buy 2, and also Checkout 51 gives you back $1 on each of them. So spending $5 for both of these and getting back $6 from Swag Bucks, $2 from Checkout 51 made it a $3 overage on those. And the final deal, the Pantene shampoo and conditioner is on sale. If you buy 2, you get $1 off. Regular price is $3.83 each, so makes them $1 off, makes them $2.83 each. So you buy 6 of them for $2.83. With tax comes to $18.42. There are manufacturer coupons in the PG from October, $5 off of 3. There's also a published digital coupon of $5 off of 3 if you don't have that PG. So you're spending $18.42 for those. You use the 2 coupons from PG, you get $10 off there, so that's $10 off. And there is also a store coupon that is pretty rare, actually, because I looked, I could not find it. However, I did find the display for it, and the display, and I went to customer service, and I asked nicely, hey, there's a display, do you have this coupon? I took a screenshot from the internet of what the coupon looks like, and there's a lookup number on it, which is 10817. So I said, hey, looks like you're out of the coupons here off the display, and she was very nice, and she gave me, using the lookup number, she found the coupon, as you can see, PG, P&G hair. Wow, I didn't realize that, but she gave me 4 of them. No wonder. Wow, I have a little more moneymaker. She's only supposed to give me 3. Anyways, that takes another $2 off. There's also Stocking Spree, and I have the website for that below. That is, since it's a PG product, when you get 50 points or spending $50 in products, you get a $10 Publix gift card sent to you. So with the math, that is $4.59 back. So breakdown of that will be buying 6 of these, $2.83 plus tax comes to $18.42. You get $10 off in the manufacturer from the PG, 5 and 5. Then we get $6 back from the store coupon, so that makes 16, and then we get $4.59 back from Stocking Spree. So buying 6 of those, I had a $2.27 overage, and once again, this was all a bonus of getting $10 more back because I was able to reach the $50 threshold. There's also in the extra savings, there's a store coupon for a MasterCard, where if you spend $50, you get that MasterCard for $40 plus a $4.95 fee. So you're basically getting $5.05 off when you roll that. So you'll do pretty good. I guess I had an $18.67 overage moneymaker this week. So that was pretty good. And once again, please subscribe to my channel. That funny looking guy right there. I got more stuff right here, how I got paid every single week. Been doing this for over a year now, and every week you can look at my past videos. I am paid to shop.